Hello, guys, welcome back again. If you're new here, hi, welcome to Online Money Goals. Here, I'll be posting a lot of numerous ways to make money online. So, if you really love that topic, you can try subscribing to this channel. And today, it is also another video on content writing job series. If you're not sure about what I'm talking about, content writing job series is nothing but I'll be making a playlist full of content writing job which are legit and you can get paid. So we'll just start off with the video now. This is the website, guys. This is Wellesley Centers for Women. As you can guess with the name, this is the publication which is created by Wellesley College. This is moreover rely on feminist and feminism and more about supporting women. Here you can actually earn money from doing book reviews. If you really love reading a lot of books, then this is for you guys. You have to try this one. You will be getting paid. You will be getting paid as a compensation for every published reviews that you have made, and I will walk you through the process of application and other payment and more information about this. So stay tuned, guys. But before starting off with this video, I have to tell you that here most of the published reviews, if you go through and analyze, most of them are from very experienced book reviewers and journalists. So your review will not be accepted if you are going to be at amateur level. So make sure you give a good review, guys. Read a lot of reviews before writing your own. You should have idea of that. So that is what is really important, because you have to read, go through a lot of reviews that they have already published, go through the site, go through already published journals and books reviews, and get from that and create your own style. I will not say that you have to copy whatever style the specific reviewer has used. Just go through it, pick up what all are really impressing you in your personal way, and then take those style and writing method and just start up with it. So create a good review, guys. That is what is going to make you dollars here. This feminist magazine was published 36 years ago, but even now there is a need, and it's not late, guys. You can just start here to join their force as a reviewer. So if you are planning to join here, they have already provided a contact email address where you have to send your resume and some examples, and also if you have a blog where you keep writing your reviews, book reviews and other things, you can also attach it with the mail and send them. If you are qualified and accepted, you will get $100 per review, which will be like 300 to 350 words, but it may extend according to the book you are reviewing. And you can see on the screen, that is where you have to send your resume and other details. So I think that is a great opportunity, guys. You can try it out, but before that, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now, as you can see on the screen, you have to send your resume and other examples to this mail ID, and once they confirm it and once you meet to their qualification and requirements, you will be getting into their reviewer panel. You will be given few titles to review every month, and you will get paid for each review. You will get $100 in compensation. I think that is a great opportunity, and that is a great amount for a single review. And can you see that I have highlighted it on the screen? Editor's email address is given, so make sure you send it, guys. Just try it out, guys. If your reviews are really good and meet the requirements, you might get that job. So it is always not wrong and not too late to start and try something out. So come on, guys, start it immediately. Write your samples, and before writing your samples, make sure you go through their already published reviews. Go through it, analyze how much amount of words they have used, what are styles they have used, and how it is, and how they have described it, and everything, guys. Just analyze it and write a good review before sending it. So that's all about the video, guys. if you aren't, if you know someone who is really good at reading books and writing reviews, you may suggest this one, because it will be a great opportunity for them to earn from what they do, what they really love to do. So yeah guys, if you have any doubts, comment it below. I will make sure I answer it as soon as possible. And try subscribing guys if you really like these content writing job series. I will bring more new opportunities and more new ways to earn money online. And that's all about the video guys. Meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.